Hello friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this very attractive and very beautiful scrapbook or album in vintage style, and I have also created these beautiful quilling flower in red decoration. So you can just open it. I have added magnet here for the easy opening and closing, and you will get this accordion fold inside this. And on each fold I have added these flaps to add photos. So let's start with the procedure. For this we need some pattern papers, black color sheet, liquid glue, punched border, silicone glue, thread pollens, quilling tool, some butterfly cutouts, wooden embellishment, scissor, and some 3mm quilling strips. First I am taking this black color sheet which measures 39 by 15 centimeters. This is having 230 GSM thickness, and I have marked on 15, 17, 32 and 34 centimeters. So I am just folding on these markings. Now I am taking one more sheet which measures 42 by 15 centimeters, and here I have creased on 14 and 28 centimeters. So fold these creases again in zigzag manner. Now I am taking this paper strip which measures 15 by 3 centimeters. I have just folded this in half, chopping the corners in diagonally. And now I will connect this accordion fold with the base of scrapbook. So to connect this I am using this connector. So the base of scrapbook is ready. Now for the closure I am using magnet. So adding one strip of double-sided tape on this small flap, remove the liner, connect one magnet, attach other magnet on top of this, and I have already added one piece of small double-sided tape. Just remove the liner and close your scrapbook. So this is done. Now I will cover both the flaps using pattern papers. Now I will decorate the front as well using pattern papers. Now taking one more paper which measures 15 by 15 centimeters, and on three sides I have already connected the connectors like we did before, and here I am creating the pocket. So just add glue on three connectors. Take your scrapbook and on last page I will connect this pocket. And now I will decorate this pocket using pattern paper. Now I am taking one more 14 by 15 centimeter pocket and connecting on the middle page. And taking one more 14 by 15 centimeter pocket and connecting on first page. In the same way I will decorate other pages using pattern papers. All decoration is ready. I have used my mandala stencil and vintage photo ink and stenciled each page like this. It will give you a vintage look. And now I am taking this paper. I have added one punched border on top of this. This paper measures 13 by 15 centimeters. So I am inserting all these flaps inside each pocket. You can use these flaps to adhere photos like this. So the beautiful scrapbook is ready. Now I will decorate it. So I am adding this precious moments wooden embellishment in one corner. Now I am adding this punched border like this. Now I am starting with the quilling flowers. This is my flower which I will show you. For the white petal I am taking half strip of white color. I am making one pointed teardrop shape. In the same way we need 13 petals, and now I am taking 1/3 strip of peach color and again making pointed teardrop shape. So we need total 9 these type of petals. Now taking one piece of white paper, added silicone glue on top of this, and now I will start arranging white petals in a circular manner. And inside this I am adding peach color petals. Now I'm taking these bunch of flower pollens, making a tight knot and tying all the pollens together. Cut the excess thread and now just connect this bunch of pollen in the center of flower. So this is ready. Now allow this flower to dry completely for 24 hours. So it's dried and now I will cut the excess paper around the flower. So this is done. I have created 3 more flowers using half strip of white with the same shape as we did before. 1 flower using 1/3 strip and 3 small flowers using 1/4 strip for each petal. Also I have created some leaves using half strip of light green and half strip of dark green. This is simple leaf shape. Some scrolls using the same green combination and some die cut out leaves. I'm also taking some butterfly paper cutouts. Now I'm taking this paper circle. I have added brown paper on back and pattern paper circle. Outer circle diameter is 10 cm and inner circle diameter is 7 cm. Now I'm adding this on the right side flap and I will decorate it like a wreath. Now start adding all the flowers and decorate it. Also I am adding these paper butterflies. So the beautiful handmade vintage style accordion scrapbook is ready. Isn't it looking beautiful? And there are lots of space to add photographs, to write any messages, and you can even also add any kind of pop-up cards of your choice. So all the decoration is up to you. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.